Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I come to you with this look right here. It is a very bluey and purpley smoky eye. I do use the bperfect Carnival XL Pro palette to do this look. So if you guys like what you see and would like to see how I did this look, make sure to stay tuned and the video is about to follow. Once you've done watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button on the side, which is the bell, and give me a thumbs up, and please leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought of this look. Make sure to give me a like as well. Bye for now. Hi guys, so I've already primed my eyes with the Plouise base just like usual, and the brows with the Primark Skinny Brow Pencil. So today I'm going to create like a blue smoky eye kind of look for New Year's Eve. So we're just going to go straight into it. I'm going to use the Carnival XL Pro palette for this look, and I'm going to go in with the shade Nude right here, and I'm using the Morphe N507 brush for that. And I'm going to place that right into the crease. So next I'm going to go in with Making Moves, which is the shade right next to it. And I'm picking it up with the Morphe M506 brush. So it's called Making Waves, sorry, not Making Moves. I'm going to tap it off and I'm going to lightly take it along the edges, just to buff the edges of the blue one out. Okay, and I'm going to go back into Nude again, which is the dark blue. And I'm just going to intensify that area. So I'm just going to keep going back and forth until I am happy with what I've got. So now that that's done, I'm going to go in with the Plouise Basic Brights in Bangin Blue. Add Poppin Pink with that as well, just a tiny little. So this is the ratio, you can see. Yeah, I'm going to mix that up and I'm going to apply that to my eyelids, and I'm going to be using the ABH brush number 18 to do that. So now I'm going to go in back into the Nude shade to the outer corner, so it blends in. Okay, so now I'm going to pick up the shade Fat Chat, which is the shade right here, and I'm going to place that on where I put the base. This shade is so gorgeous, oh my god. Shade is gorgeous. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go and clean up any fallouts that I have, which is very minimal, and I'm gonna correct my skin and prime. I'm gonna be using the YSL Blur Primer to prime, and for corrector I'll be using the Elego Peach Corrector. Okay, so I've already done my primer and correcting, so I use the YSL Touche Eclat Blur Primer for my primer, but I only primed just around my nose area where I have large pores, because I find that my makeup lasts longer without primer. So yeah, so this is the Peach Corrector. I will be going in with the Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation, drugstore alternative is, and I'm going to go in with my Primark foundation blending brush. What is everybody doing for New Year's Eve? I never go out for New Year's Eve. I stay at home with my kids. I never go out full stop, but really, I just don't feel safe. I'm very anxious. You know, I need to have somebody with me. you know, like somebody like my husband or something with me, so I won't feel safe going out. And I don't drink, so no, I don't really socialise much with my friends because I don't really drink or go clubbing or anything, but I can always do a makeup look for those that do. So I was ill, you know, that's why I couldn't make videos like I made the video earlier to let you guys know that I am ill. Yeah, I've never been, like, I've never had the flu for that long. It lasted almost 2 weeks, and it was like I couldn't even do anything. I was in so much pain. My nose, my head, everything was in so much pain. So I'm using the Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer, Ultra Longwear Flawless Fusion Concealer in 2W. I didn't really like this concealer at first, but I've grown to love it. I have a bit of pink on my brush, so I'm going to try not to get that pink on my face. So I don't wash my brush as often as I used to, because I did get this brush cleanser from Primark, so I just spot clean a lot, and I really love it. And I'm going to make a video on like makeup artist must-haves from Primark, because there are quite a lot of good things that I have bought. I haven't tried Primark makeup yet, apart from their brow pencil, so I can't comment on that, but I think I will be making a Primark makeup testing video sometime soon. So anyway, I'm going to go in with my Mercier setting powder, translucent loose setting powder, and I'm going to use the It's My Ray Ray brush number 4 with BH Cosmetics. I love this for setting powder. I'm just going to set the under eye for now, and I'm going to go in with doing my eyes, then I'm going to do the rest of my face. So it's not really big. So I'm going to start off by doing the inner corner highlight, and for that I will be using my favorite in this palette, which is this one right here. And should I do the gold or should I do my Moonchild palette? Let me have a look at my Moonchild palette. So this is the ABH Moonchild palette. There'll be too much purple in it, so I'm going to go in with Fair Play. So this is Zova 231, and I'm going to go in with Fair Play, and I'm going to go in the eye area like so, and just wiggle it about, because I want this to be really big, if that makes sense. I'm going to mix a bit more of the Plouise Poppin Pink and Basic Bangin Blue, sorry, from the Basic Brights collection. So the same amount as before. I'll put that in the waterline. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to pick up Wasted, which is this purple right here, and I'm going to place it into the lash line. I'm going to be using the Zova Precise Shader brush, and I'm just going to place that into the lash line. I'm going to pick up that same Wasted shade and place that along the lower lash line on the outer part of it. So I'm using the same brush and just putting that on. I'm going to use the Morphe M456, which is like the MAC 270 but smaller, much more smaller, and I'm going to blend without picking up any more colour. So I'm just blending it with the blue on the top, so just blending them two together. So I'm now going to line my eyes, and I'm going to use, yep, I did buy the black and the white Plouise base, so I'm going to use the black one to line my eyes. I'm not too sure if I want to line it or not. I think it needs a bit of liner. So I'm going to use the Zova wing liner brush for that. I'm going to pick up some on the back of my hand, and it's not going to be a wing liner, it's just going to lift it up line, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to bring it like so. And I'm going to tight line using that same liner. I'll probably set that actually with the lights out shade, which is up here. So I'm going to set that with that shade. I'm using the same angled brush for that. So I'm going to pick up the darker blue shade and I'm just going to blend out the corner of the eye. So blend in with the black. And then now I'm going to pick up the light blue, which is making waves. Just going to intensify the colours on here a bit more. Okay, now I'm going to get a really fluffy, okay, and I'm just going to blend all the edges of this look. And I'm going to bring what's left on the brush up onto here, the temples. To contour, I'm going to be using my Freedom makeup palette, the Pro Strobe palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade. And obviously I'm going to be using my Morphe M405 brush for that. I'm going to pick up a bit of the darker shade here as well. So mix those two together and I'm going to go in. Blush, I'm going to go in with Essence Satin Touch blush in Satin Bronze. So to highlight, I'm going to be using the Moonchild palette, and I'll be going in with, I'm going to go in with Blue Eyes right here, this one. So I'm going to go in with Blue Eyes and I'm going to pick it up on an Anastasia highlighting brush. I'm going to go off camera and put on my Maybelline mascara, the Big Shot Leather Black, and I'm going to put on some for lashes. I will be using Coco and Class, and these are the Daisy lashes. My nose and eyes have become very runny because I am allergic to something. I'm thinking it's the MAC Smolder eyeliner that I used when I went off camera because the Plouise black base didn't sit on my lash line. So now my lashes are coming off and everything, and I'm allergic to that MAC Smolder thing, and I can't find any of my other pencil liners. So I'm using the NYX lip liner in Nude Truffle. And I'm going in with the ABH lipstick in Spice. So guys, this is the finished look. I'm really sorry for the messy look. My lashes are coming off, my nose makeup is coming off, my everything is coming off because of the stupid MAC eyeliner. But yeah, this is my finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you guys recreate it, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I'm gonna link everything on the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And yeah guys, bye.